Enlist Corn is the most advanced herbicide trait technology, conferring tolerance to 4 key herbicide mode of actions, including the powerful 2,4-D located in Enlist One and Enlist Duo. When we talk about the Enlist weed control system, Enlist One and Enlist Duo are the only approved 2,4-D formulations that can be sprayed over the top because of their formulation attributes that older formulations of 2,4-D and ester just do not have. When we talk about formulation attributes of Enlist One and Enlist Duo, I think it's important to first start off with 2,4-D choline. 2,4-D choline is not an amine, nor is it an ester formulation. 2,4-D choline is fundamentally a new form of 2,4-D by nature that offers inherently low volatility. 2,4-D choline has a high affinity to stay in formulation and does not break apart like the older formulations of 2,4-D, be that amine or ester, and stays in place and does not come off our crop after an application, what we call vapor loss. Now, when we talk about near zero volatility, vapor loss is a key feature of Enlist One and Enlist Duo, and something that growers should really understand. When we talk about vapor loss or near zero volatility, that's an important feature of Enlist One and Enlist Duo herbicide. Both important to the product, but also a key aspect for all customers who utilize our technology. 2,4-D choline is 96% less volatile than the ester formulation and 88% less volatile as compared to the amine formulation. When you compare 2,4-D to dicamba, the other trait technology out in the marketplace today, 2,4-D is 236 times less volatile on an acid-to-acid basis. Now, when we compare the complete system or how a grower utilizes our technology, let's look at the following graph where we look at Enlist Duo, again the convenient premix of 2,4-D choline and glyphosate, compared to the BATMA salt. That is the latest formulation salt in the industry and also the salt formulation in Engenia herbicide. When we compare that with a tank mix of Roundup PowerMax, you can see that Enlist Duo is 98% less volatile as compared to the leading industry dicamba formulation. Again, a huge testament to what we as an organization have done in our new salt formulation. The other key component to our formulation is the Colex-D technology. Whenever a grower or an applicator applies Enlist One or Enlist Duo with Colex-D technology, which is automatically comes in the formulation, you're getting a 90% reduction as compared to older formulations of 2,4-D and older nozzles. When we couple Enlist One and Enlist Duo with these approved nozzles, that gives us that huge benefit to that neighbor-friendly application. So we're staying put where the product's supposed to be. When we talk about flexibility and we talk about application flexibility in general, Enlist One can be applied with 111 approved nozzles. Enlist Duo has 106 approved nozzles. When we start thinking about weed control options from an applicator perspective, not only can they optimize the product performance by getting great coverage with many of these nozzles, we can minimize the drift potential. Once again, reassuring that we're staying put or that drift reduction that all farmers are looking for. Now, the last aspect that all farmers go through with any crop is that field planning portion. Whenever a grower is planning on where to plant Enlist corn, there are certain things that growers should be considering with their surrounding landscape. Are those a compatible crop? Are they a susceptible crop? Are they a sensitive area? By understanding what is being grown around you, not only can you minimize risk, but you can also maximize the performance of the Enlist weed control system. As it relates to compatible crops, alfalfa, corn, rice, peanuts, sorghum, and soybeans with or without the Enlist trait can be downwind of an application of Enlist One or Enlist Duo, once again giving greater flexibility to our customers. When you look at all these formulation attributes, whether that's 2,4-D choline, Colex-D technology, the application flexibility in the nozzles, tank mix partners, and overall application techniques, getting exceptional weed control that is neighbor friendly is no longer a myth. It's just actually the Enlist weed control system in corn. For more information around Enlist corn or our technology, please visit us at www.enlist.com.